welcome to my channel. Today it's the challenge for Shop My Stash 2025 by Lorie at Enchanted Dreams 71, and today it's double journal cards, and I found these that I haven't touched, and I thought I could make a couple of double journal cards out of these pieces. They've been sitting there. They're parts of different scrapbooking papers. These are, I think that's Tim Holtz. And I'm not sure on that one where that came from. As you can see, there's different bits, and I've really got to start using them up. Okay, to start off with, it's simple. I am literally going to fold this in half like this, and that is it. That will be the journal card. That way up or that way up. Probably need, that's level, so I need to just trim this off here. There. Now, I just realised I've left my other cutter to cut this down here. I'll be back. Okay, I've trimmed those bits off, and I was fussy cutting last night on the sofa, and I even left all my scissors there. So I'm just going to fold this in half as well. And so this measures 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 by 4, and this is 6 by just under 4. So there's 2 of them here, and this is basically all I'm doing. It's not all I'm doing, I'm going to decorate, but first I just want to sew around all of them, both of them, sewing around all of these. But as you can see, my tension, it's still hot here, so my tension's all over the place, but you know, it's a junk journal at the end of the day. So I need to decorate, and I've pulled out a few pieces to do with nature. I pulled out a bit of vellum, mushrooms. I'm thinking mushrooms on this one of some sort. Something like that, and maybe I haven't got any mushroom flowers, but I have got something like that. These black and white. Let's have a look. I'm usually quite good at sorting these out before I've even started, but I haven't today. Oh, there's a nice big one. Oh yeah, I like that one. Okay, well that started well. What else have I got? Have I got any other? Oh, these are, they're quite large, aren't they? Yeah, I like these. Something like that. That. Oh yeah. Yep, I'll go with them. I think these came from Pink Monarch Prints. And then I'm going to have that on there, so I will take this off. Whoops. And be careful as you take it off, because it rips, like I've just done. And hopefully it won't be as bad. Put that on there. Anyway, I hope you're all well while I'm doing this decorating. I don't know. I've got nothing on now for a few weeks. Our craft club doesn't start till the 15th of September. But I have got, I think I said the other day, multitude of washing to be done. That's something like that, with one of these small ones on there. I like that. Yep, we'll do that. They need to be inked and walnut stain and then glued down. So that's down, and what I've also got, which I forgot, I hardly ever use and I need to start using them, is some vintage, Spanish vintage stamps. So I'm thinking I could get that. May not be straight, nope, but it's on there. On there. Could have put a bit more ink on that, but anyway. And then I'm also thought, using my stamps up, I could put a green stamp on here. This is all I've got. Not got many stamps left. Or shall I go for a, it's from Russia. Go for that. There. Right, that's one done. And now just to decorate the other. Not sure how vellum will be. Gluing it straight onto here. I think it will be okay, but I'm not sure if you'll be able to see something. Oh, I like that inside, just as something extra. And you will be able to write on that. One. Okay, now this one. I've got nature here. What have I got here that I could use up? No. And I've got these vellum pieces. If I put that on there, don't know about these. This is what I've printed on my own vellum. Doesn't really show up, does it, that well? What else have we got? Okay, maybe I do need something slightly bigger. Get these out. See what we've got here. Oh, quite like that. Yeah, I think these are going to blend in. Nope. You have these from G. Kerr. It came like that. Now I think I'm going to go with that. And then with some these labels again. These are from Junk Journal Studio. Put that there. There. Need something over here, don't I? What do you reckon? Something like that, a collage like that? The colours seem to go quite well. Yeah, I think I'm going to go with that. Put these aside and all these, and I need to glue everything again, and ink. Okay, that's all glued down, and now I'm going to put some lace, I think. So I have this lace as well. I think I'm going to put that on there actually. Just decoration really, nothing else. Turn my glue up the right way. And then where's my other one here? Piece of this, or a piece of, oh, I think a piece of this. Quite like this one. That one on there. Yep. And that one there. Okay, there we go. My poor block glue has gone all gloopy. I'm going to have to sort that out. I think I'm going to put a stamp on there as well. Where are they? Here. Oh, look. Oh, no, not that one. No. This is a pretty one here. If I can get in the packet. I'll put a pair across there. Yep, I like them. Yeah, I've because I haven't done crafting while my son's here, I've ended up with a bit of gloopy glue everywhere, all of them. I need to sort them out before I do any more videos probably. I've done a couple since he's gone, including this one. Right. Okay. There and there. These are my two double journal cards using all sorts of stuff I've got that I haven't used in years. Anyway, that's the video for now, and thanks very much for watching, and I hope you stayed to the end. Don't forget to hit the like buttons and any other buttons that are there, and I will put my playlist for Shop My Stash 2025 down below, so why not check out the other ones that I've done as well. And just as an aside, I did make this little double journal card just using some images I had and glued them together with a bit of lace. So another quick and easy way of doing double journal cards. Anyway, thanks a lot. Speak to you all soon. Bye.